A wonderful and blessed day, sir. I'm Onemig Ruña from Palompon, Leyte, 21 years old. I'm taking Bachelor of Science in Marine Engineering, third year, Charlie. The questions is all about how are the competing theories of creations and evolutions are going to be resolved in terms of the existence of the universe and supernatural beings, which statement of the philosophical principles will you apply to be resolved of these contradictory claims. This is a questions intrigued and baffle human for century. Creationism and evolutions representing two fundamental different ways of understanding our origins. One rooted in spiritually and the supernatural, and the other is science and observable phenomena. Resolving this claim isn't just about picking one over the other. Instead, it's about recognizing the values and purposes. Science gives us method to explore, test, and understand the natural world. Um, on the other hand, religion give us or provide us as a sense of meaning with a sense of meaning, um, the sense of meaning, also purpose of life, and also moral guidance. Think of this: you didn't use a hammer to tighten a screw. Similarly, trying to apply the same tools and methods from for one discipline, which is a science, for example, and to another, which is religion, they may not always work out because each has its own understanding and purposes. In philosophical principles, the concept of non-overlapping magisteria by Stephen Jay Gould of often useful. The concept suggests that the religion and science is separate realms of human understanding and should be seen as complementary rather than contradictory. Of course, some people find their way to integrate this perspective personally, finding that their scientific understanding depends on their spiritual amaze and vice versa. Ultimately, it comes down for personal belief, respect for diverse viewpoints, and also ongoing quest for understanding. So here's is the another questions all about explain the existence of maximally being a great being in terms of information of DNA, fine turning of the universe, and also the existence of absolute moral values and duties, and the irreducible complexity. Number one is the information of DNA. The intricate, complex information within the DNA is could be seen as evidence of a designer akin how to intricate code such as a programmer. Number two is fine tuning of the universe. Fine tuning of the universe. The universe life precise conditions are seems to be as indicator of what do you say as indicator of the international design. The existence the existence life supporting conditions are seems statistically improbable without some guiding force. Number three is the existence of absolute moral values and duties. These existence objective moral values and duties are suggest a moral lawgiver. Of course, without higher being, it's argued that the moral absolute wouldn't have definitive source. Number four is irreducible complexity. It means that the systems are irreducibly complex, like when you're removing parts to stop function and imply a designer, such as systems. Proponents argue and can evolve incrementally and also must have been created as is. That's all of my discussion, sir. Thank you and have a wonderful and blessed day, sir.